Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Trevelis, and let's be real, long trips can be brutal. I'm talking about those flights where you're crammed in like sardines, those never-ending road trips, those train rides that feel longer than a lifetime. You know what I'm saying? We've all been there, feeling drained and exhausted by the time we reach our destination. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if you could actually enjoy those long journeys and arrive feeling energized and ready to go? That's what we're diving into today. I'm hooking you up with my personal bag of tricks, the ultimate guide to staying energized on even the longest trips. We're talking about hacking your body and mind to conquer those travel days like a boss. So buckle up, subscribe, and let's do this. Just like my camera needs juice, our bodies need the right energy for a long trip. Skip the greasy airport snacks or gas station junk food. Go for healthy, sustainable energy. Nuts are portable powerhouses, and fruit nature's candy. Pre-pack your snacks. Avoid overpriced convenience stores. Pack a reusable bag with healthy snacks. Save money and avoid unhealthy choices. Fuel your body right. Alright, let's talk about something we all need but often forget about. H2O, my friends. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels and feeling good. Dehydration is a silent energy killer, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. But fear not, staying hydrated is easier than you think. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up after security. Most airports have water refill stations these days, and don't be afraid to ask the flight attendant for refills. Sip, don't chug. Take small, frequent sips throughout your journey. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the cramped seat on the plane. Sitting for hours on end is a recipe for stiff muscles, low energy, and overall discomfort. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to drop some serious travel fitness knowledge on you. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment to stay active while traveling. We're talking about simple yet effective exercises and stretches that you can do right in your seat or during those quick layovers. First up, let's get that blood flowing with some ankle pumps. Extend your legs, point your toes, and pump those ankles up and down. And if you're feeling adventurous, stand up every hour or so and do some light stretches. Calf raises, hamstring stretches, whatever feels good for your body. Alright, let's talk about combating boredom and keeping your mind engaged during those long travel hours. Because let's be real, staring at the back of the seat in front of you or endlessly scrolling through social media can get old fast. We're going to dive into some next-level entertainment and mental stimulation that will make those travel hours fly by. First up, podcasts. This is my personal go-to for long flights, train rides, you name it. Next up, audiobooks. It's like having your own personal storyteller whisking you away on an adventure or immersing you in a captivating biography. And the best part, you can close your eyes, relax, and let the story transport you to another world. But hey, sometimes you need something more interactive, right? That's where games and apps come in. Let's talk about the holy grail of long journeys, sleep. Getting quality shut-eye on a plane, train, or car can feel impossible. But fear not, weary travelers. Here are my sleep hacks. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Use noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. Eye masks block out light, and a good neck pillow is essential. Let's be real, folks. Comfort is key when it comes to surviving those long travel days. Because let's face it, being crammed in a cramped seat for hours on end can take its toll on your body and your energy levels. First and foremost, let's talk about posture. Sit up straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet planted on the floor. And don't forget about those lumbar support pillows. A good lumbar support pillow can work wonders for your lower back, especially during long flights or car rides. Compression socks, my friends, are a game changer for long flights. They help improve blood circulation, reduce swelling, and prevent those dreaded achy legs. And if you're someone who tends to get cold on planes, like me, a cozy scarf or a light jacket can make all the difference. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground today, but I've got one more trick up my sleeve. The bonus round. Let's talk about those extra energy boosts that can help you power through those long travel days. First up, green tea. It's a natural energy booster with moderate caffeine and antioxidants. Another option is coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink. Lastly, B vitamins, especially B12, help combat fatigue. There you have it, my friends, the ultimate guide to staying energized on long trips. You are now officially equipped with the knowledge, the tools, and the mindset to conquer those travel days like a boss. Remember, long journeys don't have to be a recipe for exhaustion and boredom. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your travel routine, you can arrive at your destination feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to make the most of your adventure. And hey, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel hacks, vlogs, or crazy adventures. Now go out there, explore the world, and remember, travel is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Peace out.